Good morning, sir. Welcome to the Light Club. My name is Kans Makarit. How may I help you?
I want to check in. Is there any available now?
Yes, sir. Let me assist you in the front desk. May I carry your luggage? Uh, okay, sir. Let me start with your room.
Sir, before we arrive to your room, allow me to explain the room facilities. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant located at the lobby at level at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we have also coffee business center lobby located. And our room meetings is in the second floor. And we have a swimming pool, spa, fitness center of the lobby of fifth floor. Let us know if you want me to reservation to our hotel facilities.
Thank you for your information.
We are here now in your front of your room. May I have your key to open the door for you?
Wait. Uh,
Kahit ano na ibigay mo.
How was it? Our room facilities. You have a safety box in the wardrobe, and you have a mini bar, and also we have snacks, and we have a telephone. So if you need any concern or anything you want, so just contact with dial with 2323. And we have a bathroom and water, and the red bottom is the red hot water, and the blue is
thank you for your information and
okay, sir. May I unpack your clothes and place it in the cabinet?
yes, please.
Sir, I am done unpacking your clothes. Is there anything else that I can do assist?
No. I think it's not.
Okay, sir. Thank you for staying and have a good day.
Have
Good morning, sir. I am here to unpack your clothes.
uh, that's all.
I'm done unpack your clothes.
Thank you.
Papuntang front desk.
Thank you for staying us. We look forward to seeing and your next check-in. And have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.